Hello friends, welcome to Design Solutions. This is Venkat from Design Solutions. I am a CAD engineer. In this tutorial, I am going to show how our design softwares will help us to do design for the particular components and products. In the coming sessions, I am going to show about particularly on many softwares, and now particularly on CATIA software I am going to show. Nowadays students are thinking to what's the next step for the after engineering. So better to do the design courses to explore our design skills and to get a job easily. So nowadays industries is going towards the design. Before and all we used to do hand sketching, but nowadays many softwares was come into existing. So example CATIA, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, Creo, NXCAD, many number of softwares will be there. But CATIA is playing a major role in the current industries. Not only CATIA, Creo, NX, they are playing a major role, and CATIA is one of the software in that. So very students are thinking about CATIA is a very difficult software. But if you learn CATIA, if you get familiar with CATIA is a friendly tool. You can do anything in CATIA. You can do modeling, you can do manufacturing coding, C codes and code generation, and analysis also you can do in this CATIA software. Not only analysis, ergonomics also. So we'll see in the further sessions how CATIA will help us to do a designing software. So here I have prepared one syllabus copies for you, and I will share with you the syllabus copy. And this is the syllabus copy I am going to show you, and then we'll go one by one according to the syllabus. And now here I have to show some PPT about introduction to CATIA. So CATIA is nothing but computer aided 3-dimensional interactive application. So this is the CATIA logo and introduction about CATIA. So CATIA is a software which multi-platform software used for CAD. This is nothing but computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing, computer-aided engineering, PLM and 3D softwares. So basically it was developed by a French company by Dassault Systems in the year of 1977. Initially it was named as CATIA, Conception Assisted 3-Dimensional Interactive. So later it was named as a CATIA in the 1981. So it was developed by a famous French aircraft designer, Marcel Dassault. He is a French aircraft manufacturing Marcel Dassault. He is one of the manufacturer in the French country. At the time in 1977, we have a French aircraft revolutions was going to happen. At the time, he used to think to do one easy modeling software. So that's why he has introduced Dassault Systems. He has introduced the CATIA, Dassault Systems. So he is the proprietor of Dassault Aviation. So what are the system requirements to run CATIA? So basically we need OS softwares. Microsoft Windows is one of the OS, and which is run in Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1 and 10. So the processor should be 64-bit processor, and 32-bit also fine, no problem, 32-bit also fine. And dedicated graphics and recommendation, graphic card recommendation. So graphic card should be there to better performance, to give a better performance. And 4GB to 8GB RAM is highly recommended to perform your personal projects or industrial projects. But for practicing purpose, you can use 2GB RAM also, no problem. And 10GB free hard disk space to save your personal data of CATIA for your modeling softwares and all everything. So how to getting started, we'll see further things. And then part design. So in CATIA we have a number of future based components, hybrid components. Look, many things will be there. So this type of modelings and all we can do in CATIA by using particular tools So in the coming sessions I am going to show this what are the tools we have presented in CATIA for part design to do the modeling. And after the part design, definitely we have to go for assembly only, because only a part can't do anything. With the assembly only we can join the components and we can create the motions there itself only. So for CATIA we have another workbench like DMU kinematics to do motion, but for DMU kinematics it has some constraints. So what are those constraints and all I will explain further sessions. So this type of modeling, assembly modelings we can do by using assembly tools in CATIA, which is provided by Dassault Systems. And sheet metal components. So what is sheet metal? Sheet metal is nothing but a sheet which is forming into a shape. So in current industries, not only current industries, throughout the world will running towards the sheet metal only. So wherever if you see like home appliances, office furnitures, automobile industries, aircraft industries, everything will use sheet metal only. So in CATIA we have number of tools to do sheet metal components, and we'll do one by one later further sessions. And surfacing. So CATIA is a power tool for surface. So why CATIA is a power tool for the surface means, in the many softwares we having a surface toolbar, but in CATIA we is providing advanced surfacing tools to make familiar to do our work easily. So like aerocrafts, aerospace designing, and automobile industry designing, BIW concepts, many of these trim softwares, trim methods. So many of these operations we can use by using CATIA surfacing power tool. So and then finally body in weight. So what is body in weight? We'll see one by one. And these are the car shapes and all, everything, frames and all, everything we can do by using BIW concepts. So in further session I will explain what is BIW and all, everything I will explain in this tutorial. Okay, now let's enter into the CATIA software. So this is the icon for CATIA to open CATIA software, and I have already opened a CATIA software. So by default CATIA will opens a product workbench. See, CATIA is having a many number of workbenches. So totally CATIA will provide 94 workbenches. In these 94 workbenches we'll see one by one a basic thing available. If you see here, many number of workbenches will be there in shape, mechanical design, part design, infrastructure, shape designing, analysis also we can do, AEC plant also we can do, machining we can do, digital mockups, and equipment settings, ergonomics also we can do, many of things. Total 94 workbenches they are providing for us. So in these all workbenches, CATIA will always open a product workbench. So we will close this product workbench. So there are many ways to open to a new file. So I will explain one by one. So there is a shortcut, you can press Ctrl and N, and a new dialog box will open. In this new dialog box you can choose any one of your required workbench. So if you want a part workbench, you can click on part and you can click OK, and it takes some loading time. Please be with me. So then after opening, a new dialog box will open like this. If you click OK, the part design will open. So I will explain another method, or else you can go here, file manager. So in this file toolbar you can use new here. You can click on new, and you can use Ctrl N also here. And if you click here, the same dialog box will open, new dialog box. And here also you can see for file manager, new toolbar. If you click on new, the same new dialog box will open. And if you go here, this is the toolbar, workbench toolbar. If you click on this empty space, and CATIA will shows a welcome workbench. We have to set the workbenches. What are the workbenches you have to use? So we have to set. I will explain in later how to set this welcome dialog box. I will again place it here. So now normally we use start mechanical design, not only mechanical design, any one of the software you want. So infrastructure, mechanical design, shape design. So I will go to part design. So click on part. So save new part dialog box will open. And what is this hybrid enable hybrid design, create geometrical set, create order geometrical set. I will explain one by one. So this is the user interface of CATIA. So part design and click on OK, and it will open. So this is a part design, and today I am going to end the video here itself only, and in coming sessions I am going to show how to set the basic settings and how to set the units and everything I will explain one by one. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. If any suggestions, please comment in comment sections. Thank you.